Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my computer desk. I am Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Today I want to talk a little bit about what to do if your iPhone won't turn on. This goes for iPods and iPads too. Recently I've been getting more and more people coming into my office telling me, geez, I can't get my phone to turn on. They're pressing the power button, they're pressing the home button, nothing's happening. Nothing's happening. So this is what you need to do to get this stuff working. You need to, first off, what I want you to try, find the power button and the home button, press and hold them together for 10 seconds. Of course, this isn't going to pop up. I'm not having this issue right now, so what I see is going to be different from what you see. But trust me, if your stuff's not turning on, press and hold the power and the home button for 10 seconds, and then the Apple logo should come up. Okay, so if you try that and it doesn't work, the next thing I want you to do is plug in, and then make sure you have iTunes downloaded and updated on your computer. And try the same thing once again. If that doesn't work, check out iTunes and see if you can factory restore your unit. Because that is basically the next step after that. So first off, you definitely want to make sure it's charged. And if you can't get a charge out of it, what you want to do is you want to get a toothpick or something soft and look in here, see if you got any crud in there. What you want to do is you want to put the sharp piece all the way to the bottom, kind of slide it to the edge, and then slide it up. You want to avoid messing around on the bottom side because that's where the pickups are, actually, on the bottom. Just let me verify that. Yes, the pickups are definitely on the bottom, so don't be messing around with the stuff on the bottom. And that, my friends, is what you do if your iPhone, if your iPad, or your iPod Touch won't turn on. Again, for some reason, it's been happening quite a bit. If you're having problems with an update, you got to make sure that your iTunes is updated. Make sure, if you have any problems, make sure you get iTunes updated and try to with that. Anyways, that's it for me. Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Slap me a like if you like this stuff. I really appreciate it. And have a good one, folks. Catch you later.